Really putting on an excellent show here. Oh my goodness. How good is this guy? How good is this guy?
Well, come back in, but it's spun back with a vengeance. And through the gate. Done him with length a little bit as well. Couldn't quite get far enough forward and has just looked to play a forward defence, and you can see the disbelief.
And a leg slip in. Oh, that's a big shout, surely.
Must be bat if that's given not out.
Okay, ball tracking coming up. Original decision not out. Pitching outside off, pitching in line. Wickets hitting.
Yeah! Oh, that's pretty close, that's pretty close. Up goes that finger.
Feet, it is a fair delivery. Can we start with front on spin vision? Waiting for ball tracking. Original decision is out. Impact in line. Pitching outside off, wickets hitting. Camera, you can stay with your on-field decision of out.
One straight up. Confusion, big confusion, but the clock goes on. If he had dropped that, I don't think he would have been smiling the same way.
Oh dear. It's like watching a train impression on his face, but I reckon he can be very, very pleased with his night's work so far. Just watch him here, look down at the fielder, look at the ball. Quentin says, it's mine, Naveen.